but sadly the freight elevator is not in use here.
Yeah, this one's not working.
Do you have the old forklift already?
This one is really nice. Yeah. It's a 1975 Strommashina.
What was the address here?
Yeah. Brīvības siellä 410 staircase
I will
A.
tell you at the later. Okay. Oh, it's covered in graffiti a little bit, but that's okay.
Yeah.
It was built in 1975 originally.
Yeah.
Only the inside was updated.
12, yeah. So first 12.
Yes.
I hope. Yeah, we're not gonna get stuck. Yeah, maximum 4 persons, 320 kilograms.
Yeah, and I actually like this interior here. It's quite
Yeah.
beautiful for 1975. Sure.
Yeah, it's really blue.
Is that the
shiny
serial?
blue.
Is that the serial? 1947?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's not a serial. That is actually
I
a
think the
code.
serial.
That is a code. That is a code.
Serial is here, I think.
Oh yeah, that is a serial number right there.
Our registration number.
Yeah.
Yeah, registration number. And
I'll check that.
But then it has been pop out originally because the freight elevator had the color
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
covered in graffiti and it's very dark.
Yeah.
Original Strommashina.
Yeah.
It's also in Jugla.
Let's go.
No, Jugla.
Let's check the.
Yeah, no original.
Okay, let's check.
Only this one, but it's not in use.
Yeah, Jugla. Looks beautiful.
And not far away, there's just nature,
Yeah.
pure nature.
Yeah, boring tram, but also the old trams are also used here.
Yeah. You can see some new Skoda trams
Yeah.
going by.
Yeah, these are the brand new.
Yeah.
They are. Okay,
Let's go back there.
Yeah.
That's right. The high quality label.
Somebody's using it. Yeah. I think one right is enough.
Because it was too much time.
Yeah.
I bet the front elevator used to have a farm.
And this one is covered with board.
Yeah, this one's covered before. Because it's not working.
Yeah.
We use it. Yeah, as you can see there in the top floor, very beautiful view outside.
This was probably mostly used only for a movie or something.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cargo elevator.
Yeah.
680 kilograms.
So yeah.
Okay, we have to press it again because
Yeah.
not like it's gonna go up.
Yeah.
And we have to press it again.
Yes, of course.
Oh wow. This is long.
It's
Taking so long.
the button is always the indicator for being that it is busy. Right? So,
Yeah.
And there's a parking there. There's okay now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these sounds are very typical.
Oh, and on top floor it's very noisy because there's a motor on
Yeah.
Yeah.
it. So what's going down is gonna be very noisy.
Well, let's hear it. I'm curious to hear it.
First floor, right?
First floor, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's listen.
Listen to it. See, hear it?
Yeah.
Someone is knocking.
Well, it's the cab itself.
And also try not to shake it because it will break.
Yeah.
Who's there?
Yeah. Who is that? Who's knocking?
I don't know.
Kuka perkele siellä?
Okay.
Ooh.